What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is going to be similar to the last vlog, where it's going to be a bunch of random stuff. Today we'll probably be doing the Nismo badge. I've only got a template from a friend's car. We'll be doing a show this weekend, and then also cars and coffee. So here's my workstation right here. We're gonna buff off the Nismo a little bit better so you can still kind of see it. And we're just gonna buff it off with some compound a little bit. I made a template for my friend's car, and then tape it on there, cut it out, and then stick all these on there. Still got McGuire's Ultimate Compound that we've got left over from when we did the detailing video. And give her a good wipe. It's a little better than before. I'm probably not going to do multiple passes. I am going to try and see if I can clean this up a little bit. It looks dirty, but like I said, if you watch the video where we got this bumper, it's actually off an abandoned car, and some of this stuff right here just didn't really come off when I buffed it the first time. So I'm gonna give it another little pass just to try and get everything perfect. It's one of the only things. All right, guys, I totally forgot to film because that was loud. I hope y'all can hear me. It shouldn't be too bad. Basically, this is what we did. We put this piece of paper in the corner of this, and then I drew a line right here along the side of the tail light, and then we kind of like drilled over his thing, and then kind of made like a line right here for where the Nismo badge will go. And I'm gonna start with the O, and I'm just gonna peel this flap up. I'm gonna place the O, and then once that looks good, I'll peel that up. I'll probably cut off the O. That way I can put the M right beside the M, and then cut the S, cut the M off, and then place the S, cut the I off, and then That's how I'm gonna approach it. It should be correct. If it's not, I'm gonna be upset. I'm about to apply some of my adhesive onto the back of this O and stick it on, and we're just gonna hope for the best. Peel off the red right here. If it doesn't work, I can always like take it off and redo it, but I really just don't want to. I feel like that's a waste of time. But it is worth it to get it right though. I really hope that ends up being straight. That looks straight. I guess we'll find out though. M! Looks pretty straight to me. Alright, S going on. Kind of had to rip some of this stuff up, but we'll make it do. It's looking good so far. It's the eye of the tiger in the night. Final letter, baby. The N. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna take the piece of paper away and it's gonna be freaking sideways. I would kill myself. Sorry. I'm not really gonna kill myself. I have dark humor, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby. Let's take off the tape. That's it. That's it. That looks good. I'm really nitpicky, and I can't really see anything to nitpick, except the end might be like slightly higher. You see that? Might be slightly higher, but everything else looks freaking phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Yes, it looks so good. What's up, vlog? We're back. It's the next day. I don't even know. I'm just gonna do some random stuff to my car right now. Can't forget your strawberry lemonade rehab. I don't know what they put in this stuff, but it's so good. It's the best one. I don't care who you are. It's the best. It's the best monster. I also bought some, what do you call this? Touch-up paint. Yeah, bought some touch-up paint for my front bumper. If anybody follows me on Instagram, or you even just noticed it in the videos, wow, massive crack. And there's actually like a lot of like just paint chips everywhere. So the bumper's probably not the best painted, so the paint's not holding up very well. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit of this on that. Now obviously this bumper needs more work than freaking touch-up paint, but it's better than nothing, you know, just to kind of make it a little better. I mean, get in there, man. It's a little bit better, but not really. I tried to hit that spot right there, but I kind of just got paint everywhere. Alright, honestly, didn't do very much. I just, like, poked a few spots over here and then poked a few spots over there. I'm not trying to seem trashy and, like, try and hide the fact that my bumper's shit. I know that it's garbage. That's why I don't really care about it anymore. So, like, I don't care if there's paint on it. Like, it's not a big deal to me. But I was just going to see if I can make it look a little bit better. I'm not even going to attempt to go into that crack. I feel like it'll look worse. I might as well just, you know, stun it. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, what else could we do today? Tomorrow, I'll probably... See, look. In the last video, closed this gap, and it just came right back. Don't know why. I didn't hit anything. I didn't, like, yeet the fender tab down. I didn't do anything, man. It just slowly goes back. That's pretty much it that I can think of, to be honest with you. Everything else in the car is pretty fresh. That Nismo badge on there. Looking scrumptious. Yep. That's pretty much it, guys. Besides fixing that gap and cleaning up the car and the interior, you know, making it perfect. That's all we got, dude. And then we'll just have fun at the show tomorrow. Do a little cinematic. Hopefully it's pretty good and I can get some good shots of different cars. And if not, it'll just be a cinematic of my car, but we'll see. Beautiful day, number 3. Let's freaking go. Gonna try and close this bumper gap up a little bit. I'm not taking the wheel off. Hopefully I can just like turn the wheel a little bit and have enough room to take off a little clip tab and try and bend it back. If not, it's whatever. Don't really care. After that, I'm gonna go and detail this car real good inside and out. That way it's ready for the show tomorrow. That little, you know, the little thing that you clamp it on to thread it into, it's really stuck on there, and honestly, I don't really care too much. I mean, yeah, it's annoying. It's a gap, but it's a fiberglass bumper. That's the reason why it like keeps on closing and opening. And I also don't have an under tray because it's aftermarket. So honestly, I'm just gonna leave it how it is for right now. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna go wash the car. Just kind of have a chill day. Literally vlogging just because the sunset is freaking gorgeous. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. Oh, running off the road. Right now. You look like a torch. What? What do you need? You can't get them bolts off, man, on that. That motherfucker's rusted. That motherfucker 2018. You can't get them bolts off, bro. What you talking about? Wow. You know, I ain't even gonna lie. That pipe looks smaller than I thought it would be.
I was trying to go.
Why? Where'd you get this car from?
Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I've been vlogging all week. Let's go. That's what we gotta do. We gotta get Colin in it because he's sexy. Thingy. Can't you take that thing? Just unbolt right there.
Take that brace
like
off
the
the middle. It's just, I really don't want to strip that bolt.
This isn't a bolt. This is attached to it. All you need to do is take the nut off.
No, that's what we're... Let me just hold my hands in it.
I don't like hearing myself.
The Harbor Freight tool.
Oh my.
Okay, someone else finish that off.
You might get a daily dose worth of.
Give me some of this.
You're gonna get tetanus.
A dang ham, a dang.
The ham, the freaking.
Stop telling people you're gonna fucking kill me.
Nope.
What?
Excuse me. Oh my fucking what Who is this? Who is that, Ben? Oh my lordy.
Nutsack.
Oh, I'm not gonna be kicked in the
You gonna
face.
move your face, bro?
Yeah, that's not gonna work. It's a circle!
Fuck.
Yeah, I got a couple more.
Nut.
Well, I was saying cut the nut.
And then just rotate it off. Because if you cut it on one side, it'll just obviously break through.
Not
I don't know.
I'm thinking.
That's fair.
Oh, Ben.
I do
more
too.
glass.
Bro, you will always hear glass in that car.
Oh yeah, forever.
Like, all the
Why don't
time.
we just take the door panel off and
No.
It don't work like that.
Is it inside? Oh, it's inside the door skin itself.
Oh no!
Go to the passenger side again. Actually. Every time you would ever close it.
Yeah.
All right, we just hammered on a 13 on a 14.
Oh.
I'm assuming it just rounded it.
Yeah. There's no way it just rounded it more.
How can it be rounder than a circle?
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Oh! You're Bean Burnell in my phone. We making moves right here. We're doing this at the end of the exhaust. Gonna have this on this side. And it's gonna be the exact same thing over there. They almost got the cats out. Let's get this work, baby. Now we got the same 3 bolts on the other side of the exhaust.
I wanted to do piece by Oh, there you go.
Juices.
In my ear.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Wait, glass cleaner? What the hell?
What?
Hey, it works. Don't judge him.
Did you hear me?
Look at that little pipe. Look at it.
Oh, he did.
Oh, Ben. All right, this is what a Q700 looks like without no exhaust. Ooh, look at that rumble. I was expecting it to be a lot louder.
Do I have a little bit of beans? That's a lot of turbo
Nice car, dude.
This side is in.
We gotta come back with it first.
Oh,
Because it
fuck.
doesn't clear the trans shield.
Yeah. Back it out.
Swivel
Spit on
joint.
it. Spit on it.
I got a, dude, I've got a swivel joint on it. It just won't go.
Oh, there we go. Yes. See. Oh my gosh, let's get those now.
Nobody has to do a judgment. We go watch
Oh yeah. Anna Claire.
You pretend how-to video.
What else do you want?
What's up, guys?
Okay.
How to do anything? Don't ask us.
How to do that? Crush washer,
I mean, if you had another
washer,
16, we could just
gasket
do it with
washer, crush nut, balls.
Wait, what?
Thomas.
wrenches. Nuts. Balls.
I'm crying.
LOL. Jeez, what?
That ain't bad. I can live with that.
All right, South Life is not South Life. Southtown Slam and Jam is basically over. I didn't film much because me and Derek were basically literally the 2 JDM cars in the entire place. It was just a bunch of trucks. But I'm about to shoot his car and this MR2 over here. Get some nice shots of their car, and I got some nice shots of mine. Gotta get them shots. Hey, this is just gonna go on the last end of the last vlog. So me and Anna at the beach for our 5-year anniversary, having fun. We're at Biloxi. Probably gonna meet up with Andy sometime this weekend and get us some shots in, some other car content. But that's about it. We just having fun, enjoying ourselves. What's up, bro? Me and Andy shooting out here. What is up? It feels like it's been forever since I vlogged, and that was a bunch of random clips that I've gotten over the past month that I haven't been uploading YouTube. But we're back now. School is just a little heavy, and then I haven't been having any content really. So it was just kind of another random vlog, kind of like the last one. We just had some fun, threw in some random clips, went to the beach with Andy, but didn't film that much there. I was kind of just hanging out, taking a break. School's been like, I've had so many assignments this semester, it's been wild. But I'm finally out, finally got to bring that video together. I also have another video planned, and super exciting news. As I just edited this video, the meat for my new brand, Unconditional, has just been approved. So that's gonna be in 2 weeks. I was gonna do it. I've had to push it back multiple times because I've been waiting on approval, and then also just waiting on, I still gotta get the stickers printed, but that won't be super hard. Just gotta get that done. Meat approval is done. And I wanted to give like a good 2 weeks leadway so people could plan to come to it instead of just having it next week. I could have it next weekend, but I think I'm gonna do 2 weeks from, as you're seeing this video, should be like Saturday, I think. Yeah, tomorrow. Today's Friday. As you see this video, in 2 exact weeks, we will have the first Unconditional brand opener meet. And I'm gonna show you guys the t-shirt that we got in, and we've got t-shirt and 4 stickers. It's gonna be small. Obviously, I'm not doing a big drop. There's 40 shirts available. Actually, there's 38 because Jack and Colin already bought one. 37, my girlfriend already bought one too. So it'll be very limited. Obviously, I don't have a huge following, so I'm not gonna have 200 shirts. Like, I'm not gonna have a huge thing. If they sell out quick and like I pretty much just don't even have enough shirts to sell to everybody, then the next drop gonna be 10 times better. Better design, better everything. I'm learning a lot from this, and I'll probably have a website on the next, by the time the next drop comes around, and it'll be perfect. So let me show you guys the t-shirt that we'll have. So this is the t-shirt. The brand is called Unconditional. There was supposed to be a period here, but honestly, it turned out fine. This is the front. Super simple, super clean. Just the name. So this is the back. Pretty simple design, just 3 roses. I made them myself. We have Unconditional right here, and Someone Loves You over the top. So I have these shirts for sale, and then 3 stickers. I've posted them on my Instagram, but obviously I don't have them here with me yet. Actually, let me go out to my car and I'll show you. All right, this is going to be the slap sticker that I came up with. This up here just says Unconditional in Japanese. What is it, kanji lettering. So that'll be a slap sticker. And here is one of the other stickers, Unconditional, nice and wavy. We've got Keep Your Friends Close and Someone Loves You. And these will all be, you know, just regular white vinyl die cut stickers. So that's going to be it for the first drop of Unconditional. Pretty small, but hopefully we'll grow it in the future. So plan 2 weeks from tomorrow, May 7th, Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is going to be a super chill meet. It's not like a drifting, no burnouts, no like crazy stuff like that. Just come and hang out and have a good time. Be expecting another video showing off my gritty exhaust because the last one, I didn't really do that much in it. So this one will actually have a POV drive, you know, outside the car revs, street driving, all that type of stuff. So just be on the lookout for that. If you need any more information that I don't put on YouTube, follow me on Instagram at OOPZ34. Oopsy34. I'll have a flyer that I've made myself, everything with information and everything that you can save so you don't forget and you don't have to keep coming back to a YouTube video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.